In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get token on Bluehost. So the first thing this we'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click at login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from, and from there you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And that is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, is we would like to get token on Bluehost, or just where can I find it? So of course the validation token is found by clicking validation token at the bottom of any page in control panel. Or you can just go and add the token to your mobile device using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. If you've already set up two-factor authentication, of course, the 2FA, then the token is already on your mobile device. The validation token uses the same authentication code as 2FI. So, of course, for you, as I said, if you already did that, you will already have it. If you don't, you can click on advanced on the left panel, and that should open for you the cPanel option. And of course, from here, you can just go and look for the setting that sets this two-factor authentication for you. Of course, you can just go and look for it here if you don't want to go look for all of those here, and you'll be actually good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.